Mucemanio wa atongoria a kiama ukoragwo wina bata muno. Atongoria a kiama ungithi bururi wa UK, Prime Minister mafutagwo ni members of parliament macemanitie. Taru mundu gwitwo Theresa May afutirwo wathani-ini ni mucemanio wa abunge. South Africa abunge nio macemanagia magafuta atongoria a kiama. Kwa mucemanio ya members of parliament magicemania ta kiama ikoragwo very important na nikio murona tugitake this action.
Droga gutire nyumba itakoragwo watho wayo na gutire party itakoragwo watho wayo. Tukiheo tigiti cia Jubilee ni twasainire kindu gitagwo code of conduct, na code of conduct eno tugire ni turiteaga mutongoria witu na party structures citu no tukinyete handu gutire mundu ukoragwo ate no erwo undu nginya tugakinya ate ni turumaga mutongoria wa bururi.
Kama hivi vita yote ni ya deputy na president. President is the boss. Why can't he call the deputy? Because the deputy cannot call the president. The president can call the deputy. Na azungumzia wana Kenya awaambie huyu mtu tumekosania hii na hii tusikie, so that we can be able to assess.
If these intimidations was to force us a certain way, we are going to do things the right way. To achieve those constitutional changes that they want, you need 2/3 majority. And obviously there is no way they can get 2/3 in this house. So please kujeni tuongee. Tuko tayari. But not by force. No matter how many times you try to intimidate, if you want changes, if those changes are for the